Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, then select another sticker, duplicate the sticker, please like the video and subscribe the channel.